You can now save your styled components to your own library and share the components with your team. This feature is exclusive for agency plans. Let me show you how it works. First, we're going to check some components from the library. I'll look for a slider component. Click on View so I can see a preview of the component and how it works, and click on Generate to add this component to the page. For this example, we are going to use the CMS content and confirm. Done. Now let's select our slider list wrapper. Go to Settings and connect to our team members' CMS collection. Select the image and connect to the profile picture. Cool. Now we are ready to style it. Still in the image, let's change it to 25 rem height. In the slide, we are going to add 8 rem radius and overflow hidden. Let's now customize the arrows. Select the right arrow, update color to purple, change position to top right, and height to 5 rem. To add a bit of personality, let's rotate -45 degrees. Now let's do the same on the left arrow. Select it, change color, move to bottom left, change height to 5 rem, and rotate -45 degrees. Nice, looking good. We can style the bullet points now. Change width to 2 rem and 50% opacity. For the active state, the one with the is_bullet active combo class, let's change height to 1.5 rem, change color to white, 100% opacity, and rotate -45 degrees. Now let's improve the transition. In the bullet point, overwrite rotate to 0 and add transition. All properties to 500 milliseconds. I believe we are done. Let's publish and see this working. Cool. The arrows are functioning and the bullet points are nicely changing when we click on them. So imagine you want to save this component to use later or share with your team. Let's save it to the library. Open the Finsweet Components app. Select the instance of the component. When you select the instance, you can go to Edit mode. And now you will be able to save this component to the library, exactly how you created it. First thing to do is copy and paste the component. This is the step where we will get all the styles and configs of your component. Select the instance, the element that contains the instance attribute. Copy with Ctrl-Command-C and paste it with Ctrl-Command-V to this area. Good, very important. If you are pasting a component using CMS content, you will see this message to unbind the CMS fields. So let's do this again. Select the image and disconnect the property. Now select the collection list and disconnect the source. This is a mandatory step. Now we can try again. Click on Save to Library, copy the instance, and paste. Click on Next. You can change the name, instance name, and class folder, and also select on which folder you want to save this component. Let's select the Sliders folder. Upload an image and save. Great. This custom component was saved to your library. Now you can go to your library, select the Sliders folder, and see the component you just saved. On this screen, you can also edit, delete, and create new folders to organize them. You can have folders by type of components or per category, up to you. Do you want to share this library with your team? Go to Team and Roles and invite a new member. You can choose the type of access they will have. Great, now let's generate the component we saved to our library. This is very easy. Go find the component you want. Click on Generate. Review the name, instance name, and class folder you want, and confirm. Nice. The component was generated on the page, exactly how we styled in Webflow. You just need to connect the CMS collection, the image, and done. For all components generated, you can also select the instance, go to Edit mode, and make the changes you prefer. That's f***ing sweet. The library is only available for agency plans. Go to the library, click on this link, and get started. With an agency plan, you unlock the library, save and share components and folders with your team, plus access an exclusive offer on lifetime plans. For example, the Lite plan lets you use all components across 24 websites, bringing the lifetime cost down to just $24.50 per site. You're now one step closer to scaling your Webflow builds with your entire team. Go to finsweet.com/components to learn more about agency plans and how we can help you succeed with Webflow.